Hi, creative people! I would like to tell about this intrigue over this bicycle in the train. It was a very nice day in September when I wanted to go to the Dahlia's farm, Dahlia's field. And the weather was very good for the Netherlands. Finally, it was no rain, and I thought I'd have to get this chance and go to the Dahlia's field. Everybody knows that Netherlands are famous by their tulip fields, but not many people know about dahlias. Near the Northern Sea, close to Lies, the famous place of the tulip fields, Dutch farmers they were growing very beautiful dahlias of all sorts. And it is a little bit far from my house and I had to get a train. There is no direct train, so to this place, and I took my bicycle with me. So I went 1 hour with the train and 1 hour with the bicycle, and finally I get there. It was so beautiful. The dahlias were of all sorts, shapes, sizes, huge ones, small ones, pompoon dahlias, so many and so beautiful, and I wanted to paint them all. The people were also aware that it might be not very nice weather soon, and it was a lot of people there. Sorry for the bad quality of video, but I wanted to share this great atmosphere. One man came with a guitar and sang the beautiful songs the whole day long. And this woman began to sing with him. And they were singing together. Two strange people united by music. So that's my experience and that were my impressions, and I wanted to share them with you.
Vergeef hem alles maar. Al zuchtend in zijn armen, maak los je lange haar. Slaap naast hem op zijn kussen, zodat je moeder hoort.
Such a beautiful voice. Yes, in this place it is not so difficult to get impressed. So I was painting the whole day there, and I hope that you can get this impression, this inspiration of this day from this video. And we will paint together this beautiful pink dahlia with an acrylic palette knife and one secret ingredient. I often finish my paintings at home in studio, and so we will paint together the pink dahlia with the palette knife, but it will be not oil, it will be acrylic. Artists who are familiar with acrylic probably know that acrylic loses volume after drying. And now meet my secret ingredient. It is a special medium for the volume. It names Extra Heavy Gel for acrylic, brand of Amsterdam. It is transparent and glossy, so you get almost similar surface with oil after the painting with this medium. You have to mix half by half paint and this medium. Don't worry that your paint gets whitish, no, this middle is very transparent. So let's begin. Here you see our pinkish color mixed with yellow. And I think you can get this color by mixing green with yellow ochre or sienna. Mixing little bit our blue color with phthalo and little bit of ultramarine, making our texture a little bit different and the intensity of the colors a little bit different, so that our background won't be boring. And so you see, I am applying very light, lively my thick strokes. And here we go, our leaves, our petals, very subtle, very volumetric. It is a mixture of carmine and yellow and white. Don't forget about heavy gel. I'm going to create a new video about my plein air when I'm painting a cherry blossom in Holland. And all of this plein air I shot while I was painting. So subscribe on my channel, it will be very interesting. This side of the flower is a little bit brighter, little bit darker because it is shadow in here, and the opposite petals are shined by sun. The most important thing is to clean up your palette knife very properly, because if you don't clean it, you will get mess anyway, eventually. The way home. Thank you for watching me. Until the next time. Don't forget to put thumbs up.